What's up, guys? American Dipper back with another video. And today, I got the mullet back. I used to have it. This is my second time having one. But yeah. These dips right here, mix them together. This is fine cut, Copenhagen fine cut, and this is Stoker's wintergreen. Tastes really good. But basically I'm gonna be talking about one time that a tornado came and I was at my friend's house, and like this sucker started like throwing trees like you could see in the pasture, and man, it was getting everywhere. Like trees were going everywhere. There's just stuff flying, flying. Like the news comes on, and I'm on the couch, just basically chilling, watching the TV, and all I hear is, "Stay away from windows." Right as about that time, I guess it picked up a trampoline or something, and it hit the window like, goosh, and man, there was glass everywhere. My friend jumped up. She was the first one jumped up. I looked back like, what the crap? And then took me a minute to realize, oh shoot, well, he was right. And then so I started running, and we're in the living room, and like the wind was going like 80 miles per hour, and like, okay, so this is a trailer house. Makes it even better when there's a storm. Feels like when you're going to terror trails or something. Well, this sucker is moving like this, like side to side, and I'm trying to run. I'm hitting all the walls, knocking stuff off, and this house just keeps on turning, like back and forth. So I'm like, we better get out of here before this crap gets bad, because the house could have flipped over. But yeah, I was just running, ran into a couple walls, and then I finally got into the bathroom, and we stayed there for a little bit. And then next time I come over, okay, so I come over the next time, and so basically I come over and I see a tornado. Like, that sucker was just spinning, like, taking out stuff. So it came closer. It was coming our way. So it was coming like this. And I was in the house. And I saw this sucker. And this sucker, it wasn't that big. It was kind of small. But it was coming our way. And then, like, past us, thankfully. But yeah. That was Tornado Alley. Or something. Because that place always has tornadoes. And then, I was about to say something. Well, oh yeah. Next video, I will tell y'all how I got stuck yesterday, and yeah, I'll see y'all guys next video. American Dipper is out. Have a good day. Peace.